special podcast from the School of Mechanical Engineering at lovely Professional University. Today we have Nitesh, Anshul and Rishhita, three outstanding students of aerospace engineering.
Rishhita, you are an academic achiever also. With 9.07 CGPA, you have exceeded academically. How you balance your academics with the hands-on projects and internships?
Balancing academics with the projects is really a tough job, but it is quite possible if we have a good time management and we prioritize our tasks based on the deadline and the importance of the work. So, like for my classes and for the academics part, is mainly I'm more focused in the class and pay attention to what the professor is telling us and try to have a direct communication with them for my doubt clearance. And for an example, one of my internship was going on when my semester just started. It was quite tough to manage classes and internship together. For that, I have planned my schedule in such a manner that I can revise my class concept in my break time. And for the internship, I had a gap of 1.5 hours before my internship began. At that time, I used to mainly relax myself so that I'm more fresh and attentive during my internship, which really helped me in a lot much better.
So we have learned that time management is really important in our life. Nitesh, what advice would you give to the students interested in aerospace engineering at lovely Professional University?
I would love to suggest to all the students, those who are in aerospace field, they must have to grab knowledge, not only theoretical, but also in practical aspects of it. They must have to indulge in different activities, and as LPU is providing wonderful labs such as aerodynamic lab, propulsion lab, then those students who are most interested towards manufacturing, so they can also join our CNC labs where they can design their own products in terms of production. So I would love to suggest to all the students to be more practical, because aerospace field requires more practical knowledge apart from theoretical knowledge, because we have to apply those theoretical aspects in all the practical area.
Lovely Professional University's aerospace program help you to build your skills in this field.
So obviously Lovely Professional has played a lot of impact in my life in this aerospace field. So when I joined LPU, I came to know about some clubs which are like currently working here. They are of aerospace branch. So I tried joining one club, and nothing was like you come and join the club. It was fully like a professional thing. You should come, they will recruit you, they will interview you, and then you can go in the club. And when you get into the club, they had some projects in there, and it was fully organized. So main thing I learned was how one entrepreneurship works, how company works, how you can design your own things, and everything in the aerospace aspect. I learned about it. Also the labs which are here, they are very good equipments here. So you will get the physical understanding of the things how they work, and you can watch it physically. Also, one thing was the innovation studio. I think that's the best thing which LPU has offered to us, because in there we can work and we can use anything, whatever we want, and we can build very trendy stuff whatever we want. So there were many things like engines and all, and we saw it live. And when we saw it live, we were like very scared how this complex system works. But when we saw it in real life, it was like very it gave an motivation to learn more things about the books. So we were like not demotivating from studying. So I think this all aspects made this engineering a better question.
It means LPU provide theoretical as well as hands-on experience.
Yes.
Your remote internships on orbital mechanics for a CubeSat sounds fascinating. Can you explain what it involved and how it expanded your knowledge?
So my remote internship for CubeSat was basically for a forest detection. We were given a problem statement during my internship that I have to design a satellite for the forest detection. It was a team project, and it was quite interesting because I got to learn new softwares and a lot more about the space science and basically orbital planning. My team was having 4 members, and we were divided into 2 parts. One was for avionics, which was held by my other teammates, and the other design and orbital planning was held by me and my another teammate. basically my major part was to the orbital mechanics, but I contributed a bit in the designing part, and that internship really helped me a lot further in my studies, because later on we are studying about the satellites, rockets and missiles, where I'm able to apply that knowledge and quite able to improve my earlier software skills.
Rishhita, what are your future goals and how would you contribute to the aerospace industry?
In my future, I want to work mainly in the research and development sector, which contribute basically to the space and deep space sciences. My main goal other than this is for the orbital planning, as I have done some of my projects and currently working on one of my projects related to satellites. So majorly I want to contribute to the space sector.